Right, I'm going to be doing Zen's BGA tomorrow. It's just been removed by Zen from a board, and we're going to be trying this new heat it up and remove the molten solder with the silicon that we tried a few weeks ago, but I want to do this far more accurately this time. So I thought we'd have a trial run with a removed BGA. Unfortunately, I've cleaned up all of the BGAs I had taken off of boards a few weeks ago. So I'm going to take off this Genesis BGA that you can see on there, and I thought we'd have a bash with the obviously the preheater and the hot air nozzle that arrived whenever that was last week. I don't even know what day it is. No, it was earlier this week, I think. Now normally this board would have to be preheated in the oven to get rid of all the moisture, but really, you know, it doesn't concern me. This is a scrap board, and we would also remove the caps in this area, as that is the area that is going to be heated with the preheater, but so I'm really not interested in that today. I just want to get the BGA off so we can have a test run with removing the balls. Oops. See if we can mount this fairly centrally. That's as far across as I can get, and that's the BGA will be pretty much in the middle. Sorry if my arm's in the way. Got the same old problem. It's hard to film this and be aware of what you're doing. I'm just trying to clamp this up a little bit. Just check the alignment. Yeah, that is smack bang over the middle of the preheater. Nip it up a fraction here, and on the other side, and you can also nip it into place there on the actual frame, so that is pretty stable now. Right, so I think we'll just use a thermocouple right next to the VGA. Like that. That is just on the meter up the top there, and then we'll have the process value 1 maybe just in there. What I forgot to set up is the hot air, annoyingly, because everything seems going to be in the way now. I was just using it on another video and I forgot to move it back. What I'm going to do whilst I faff around with that is I've just set the process value to 30 degrees, and we'll just fire this up and get that preheater warming up.